I'm Dr. SALISU UMAH, Director of Auchi Polytechnic Auchi. I've been on this seat for about 2 years now. I can remember my first encounter with Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman when I resumed. I had to pay him a visit. I know his relationship with so many students because when I resumed, a lot of students were giving testimony of how he gives scholarship, how he helps students complete their programs, and so many of them how he pays their accommodation and even accommodates some of them his own church while they are in school. So that actually spurred me to say that I must pay him a visit. Paid him first visit. It was a rosy welcome. I explained to him how much we need his assistance. He kept his hands open and welcomed me graciously. I was so happy because I never expect the rosy welcome I had from him. When I relayed our problems to him, he assisted immediately and promised to pay me a visit, which he did. Unexpectedly, one day I was just here, heard that he was at the ground floor. I rushed to receive him. I asked myself, what kind of person is this? Surprisingly, before he left here, he said, I will do something for the Polytechnic. And I decided to attend his birthday where the promise was actually announced. He was going to give us a complete ICT center. I came and broke the news to my management staffs. We were happy but doubtful. Since nobody has ever given us such, I've spent almost 30 years here, nobody has given us such property, single individual has given us such property. We said, okay, let's see how it goes. From nowhere, I saw the engineer coming to ask me, where is the site? I said, then this has turned to reality. Before I knew it, the building commenced. As I'm talking to you today, the building has been completed, furnished, and equipped 150 computer sets. In fact, the best computer center we have in the school so far. So I want at this medium extend my heartfelt appreciation, regards and greetings, and wish him a happy birthday as comes for us to witness. May God bless him earnestly. May God continue to shower his blessings on him. Pray that may God uplift him beyond the thought of himself. Thank you very much.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.